Guys, it's Kirby. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, we are going to be reviewing some nail wraps. Ioni, my favorite lash brand, has come out with nail products. They have a whole nail bar that includes nail oil, nail wraps, nail chrome polish powder, nail stickers, tweezers, all kinds of things, and we are going to be reviewing some of those products on the channel. I've purchased all of these products with my own money. None of this is sponsored, and they are available at the Dollar Tree or some 99-cent stores. I will do my best to link all of it down in the description box below, but if you are lucky enough to find Ioni lashes and makeup and stuff in the Dollar Tree, I promise you won't be disappointed. So I have really high hopes for these nail wraps. These are the 4 styles that were in the nail bar at my Dollar Tree. They have these sparkly ones, this kind of cherry blossom floral pattern, mermaid, and then this green daisy pattern with a little bit of glitter. Today I think we're going to do just these basic silver gray sparkly ones because I think this will go with most of the things that I'm wearing these days, but all of the patterns are really nice. They do have directions on the back: prep, peel, position, file, done. I have already prepped my nails. It says to lightly buff and push back the cuticles. I've already done that. All I did to buff was take a nail file, lightly go on top, and then I took some acetone nail polish remover on a cotton pad and just wiped gently on all of my nails. I did that off camera only because, you know, I want to save time. So let's get into it. This is the packaging. I haven't even opened these yet. Whoop. So this is how they come in a little clear plastic thing, also wrapped individually like this. There are 14 wraps in each thing, so you're good for at least 1 manicure. So they come in a sealed package. Then the wraps themselves also have a clear coating on top of that. And then here are the wraps themselves. You know what these are really similar to? The Bee Color nail wraps that I reviewed a little while ago. The packaging, other than the box, is very similar to the Bee Color nail wraps. So I'm interested to see if they're actually quite similar. I don't know if you can see. The nail wraps themselves look very nice and thick and glossy, like they would adhere very well. So let's get into actually trying them on. And I might speed this process up only so that we can kind of get to the end result a little bit quicker. So here are the nails right after application. As you can see, I had a couple little hiccups with this pinky and this pointer finger, where whenever I was trying to smooth it in one direction, they slid off my fingertips. So I guess a con would be that the adhesive is not as sticky as it could be, and to press down, a tip would be to press down first before you kind of smooth it with a gentle touch. For $1.25, I'm definitely not disappointed by these nail wraps. Compared to the B Color nail wraps, which are also available at the Dollar Tree, these Ioni ones are a lot thinner. Which is nice because they do stretch. I know for a lot of people, when I reviewed the Dashing Diva, their complaint was that the Dashing Diva doesn't have like wide sizes. Well, these ones stretch really, really well. So if you have like a wider nail bed, these would be really, really good. The downsides are that the adhesive isn't as like strong. And that sometimes, I think depending on like your body heat or something, the glue will shift around. But they do look nice for, again, $1.25. I don't think you'll be extremely disappointed. I would just really make sure that you prep your nails really, really well before you use them. So I'm going to try and wear these for a week to see how long they last, if they do last, if they don't last, and things like that. To see kind of like a longevity test, if you will. But again, if you're just looking for like a quick night out, if you have a last minute engagement or whatever, and you can find these at the Dollar Tree, they definitely don't look bad, and they'll probably survive the night for sure. I'm not sure if they'll survive the week. At the moment, they're not really living up to the B Color or the Dashing Diva or anything like that. I am a little disappointed in the quality, but they do look really, really nice. So we'll just have to see how long they last. And yeah, I will check back in, hopefully in about a week to see where we're at. Okay guys, so it has been about a week. It is Saturday. I applied these nail wraps on last Saturday. So it has been like a full 7 days, or 8 days. And not all of them survived. My 2-pointer fingers were the first ones to go. And then sadly, my left middle finger also went. If you can, I'll try to like hold my fingers up. I have lots of regrowth and shrinkage on these wraps as well. And the adhesive is not the best when it gets like heated up and or like wet. They actually, instead of like peeling off, these 3 fingers kind of like slid off. Like I said, for $1.25, I'm not actually too upset at the quality of these. They did apply very nicely. They're very thin and stretchable. And you do get 14 of them, which makes for a nice manicure for like wide or thin nails. And if you're just using them for like a night or a photo shoot, or maybe you forgot to do your fingernails or something, they're not like a bad wrap. They're just not my favorite, but they do have really nice designs. I will give them a point for that. I think where like they really miss the mark is in the adhesion or whatever adhesive that these wraps use. They're not the best. The better ones at the Dollar Tree are the B Color ones. So I would personally choose the B Color nail wraps over the Ioni, but the Ioni definitely isn't terrible for $1.25. Are there better nail wraps out there? Yes. Are you going to be paying a little bit more money for those, like Dashing Diva and things like that? Yes. So am I a little disappointed in the quality of the Ioni nail wraps? Yes. But they do still have some other great products. Like I said, their eyelashes are top notch. Their lash glue, their like chubby lipstick liner things, those are really great. Their nail wraps are just not that great. We will be trying some of their other nail products from the nail bar that they have released, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Do you have experience or have you found the Ioni nail wraps in your Dollar Tree or 99-cent store? Let me know down in the comment section below. I will try to link these and some of my favorite nail wraps down in the description box below, so you can check all those out on your own time. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.